Hello, this is Mark Catalano. I'm the head of customer support here at Scoopshot, and we're going to release a new store release, and I'd like to just take a few moments to talk about the new features of that release. So we're currently logged into the store, and we get to the new photo search page, which is defaulting us currently at Stockholm. But on this page we can do a search anywhere in the world, but we're going to show you an example search. So what I'm going to do now is try to find some photos in London. Let's see what we got here. So we'll do a search here for London, and right away you'll notice it quickly pulls up everything within a 10-kilometer range. So it's quite nice. I've got a lot of photos here, over 1,000 actually photos in London. So but at this point I want to see what else I can do. So if I wanted to look for photos that are a little more range, I can extend the kilometer search to 20 or 30 or even 50 kilometers. But I'm going to just show you if I change it to 20 kilometers, all of a sudden it's giving me a little more photos there, so it extends my search right away without having to do anything. So that's quite nice. But then if I want to get a little more defined here, let's say I want to search for something like the Big Ben. So I click on the search tools link, and it brings up another search line. So then I go ahead and type in Big Ben, and I go ahead and search for that, and it goes through that 1,000 plus photos, and it nicely finds there are roughly 37 photos, all pretty much regarding Big Ben. So it's a really nice feature. I got my photos I needed, and was really easy to do. So at this point I'd like to show you what you can do with this search. You can save this as a feed. So there's a button there on the right called Results to Feed, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then it brings up a little screen that says my criteria, my search words, and so forth. And I can actually create an RSS feed here, or I could actually send this as email alerts. So what I'm going to do now, for example, I'm going to send email alerts. And in this case, I can put in my email and the frequency. So anytime new photos come from my search, they'll be sent to me automatically, which is quite nice. So that's a pretty good new feature we have there. But there's other features I'd like to show you as well. Let's go ahead and click on the new task page, which has been overhauled since our last release. This now brings up all the tasks that are already out there, which is nice, so I can browse through these if I'd like to get some examples on what to do. So there's a lot here, but I could actually search through these if I wanted to get a little more detailed. So I click on the little search field on the right. It brings up a box, and I can type in a search keyword there. I'm going to try football as an example here for you. So once I typed in football, now I get roughly 6 or 7 tasks all around football, so very detailed. I've got some American football stuff from the States. I've got some European football. So lots of stuff related to football, so I could take a peek here to see what these other journalists have been doing with their tasks. So it's quite nice. At this point now, I want to show you how to get back to the task page you're familiar with. So if you look up at the top there where it says Inspiring Tasks, you can click on the active tasks, the drafts, and the expired tasks. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my active tasks. And when I do this, it brings up the page that we're familiar with. This is the task jobs index page. So we can see active tasks, drafts, expired tasks, and so forth on this page. And this is exactly the way it was before. We haven't changed anything here. And you'll notice on the right there's the Create New Task button, which has always been there. If you click on that, you can create your tasks there. Okay? Let's not spend too much time on this one. It's an old functionality. I want to show you, there's a bonus page we've created for you now. It's also replacing the desk, and this is called Breaking. When you click on Breaking, it will load up current news photos that are very relevant and current. So you'll have, like we have a current sold photo here. We have photos that have been liked a lot by users out there. We have photos that have been sold for a lot of money. We have the current buzz as far as where are the photographers, where are they hanging out lately, so you can kind of see what's going on in the world, which is quite nice. So this is a nice little screen here, and if you want, you could even buy photos directly from this screen by clicking on the photos and whatnot. So it's pretty nice. So if I clicked on one here, it brings up a screen where I can actually I can actually buy it right here or add it to my shopping cart. So it's quite nice. Anyways, I think you enjoy the new features we have, and that's about all I want to talk about those for now, but thank you very much. Bye.